Horses and we have Altus Choice. Best to begin is Spectacular Ridge. Moving up, Vinegar. Be Pair is racing in fourth. Then in fifth, Repeat Performance, Gio Conti. And Empire Queen is the early thriller. We have Altus Choice, the leader. By Auralenka and Hapa is Spectacular Ridge in second. Vinegar in third. Rushing about the outside now is Be Pair to take third. And in fifth position, Repeat Performance, Gio Conti, and Empire Queen is racing in last. That's still Altus Choice by Auralenka, and in second is Spectacular Ridge. Be Pair now on the outside third. Racing in fourth position is Vinegar, and that's still Altus Choice by Auralenka. Spectacular Ridge still in second. Be Pair remains in third, and followed by Vinegar, and that's still Altus Choice by Auralenka and Hapa. Spectacular Ridge still in second, and in third Be Pair, then followed by Vinegar. Altus Choice moving up is Spectacular Ridge on the outside. Be Pair remains in the last. They come down at the last 150 with Altus Choice by Auralenka and Hapa. And in second position remains Spectacular Ridge. Be Pair, but it's still Altus Choice followed by Spectacular Ridge in second. And hitting the finish line we have Altus Choice. Second is Spectacular Ridge. Be Pair, then comes Gio Conti, Empire Queen, number 2, Repeat Performance, and Vinegar.
3, 4, 7, 6.